Do you feel dizzy or something? Or is it okay?
Somewhere in Norway, two friends decided to go sleep outside and experience the wilderness. Edward, from Lebanon, has never done it before, and Alicia from Germany is not really experienced. Let's see how this adventure is going to turn out. Their first challenge will be to find the right spot to spend the night.
I don't even have to move, I just have to listen to your footsteps soaking into the ground. I think it's not that easy to find a place for the tent, because over here are bushes and stuff and it's not really plain, and down there it's soaking wet, and yeah, Edward wants to put it up there, but there's no space either.
Well, I think we're gonna set our tent here. We have no choice because, like over there, it's too wet. Yeah, we'll do it. Why not? It doesn't need to be flat. So, what do you think? Go for it.
But why can't we go over there? It's not as
steep.
Yeah, not as steep, and there's space.
Well, show me.
Here's steeper, and just behind that thing. Because I don't see any space here for the tent.
I think here it's okay. See? We can put the tent just here.
After finding a place to stay, something terrible happened.
It's not. I don't feel the pain, so I'm okay. It's okay.
Wait, I got something. Did you cut this up at some woods?
No, yeah, probably something. I don't know what it is exactly. I'm fine. Okay, so.
I've got something to disinfect it.
No.
I think you should. No, there's soap on it. Come here, hand?
Yeah. We can do something about it, I'm not sure. It's gonna burn?
I don't think so. Does it?
No, I don't feel anything.
Okay, just wait until it dries.
Okay.
Do you feel dizzy or something? Or is it okay?
It's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
And if you have the feeling it falls off, I mean, we can.
Okay. Cool.
So
This is outside.
this is outside, and that's the entrance. But we put them all together, then we continue with it along it.
So these are two big ones. Yeah. There must be this one here. Okay.
Let me push. Otherwise, it's happening. You push. Let me push. Maybe a bit more over there. Oh, what do you think? Yeah, like this?
Put some, to make fire. It's supposed to be somewhere close. Not that far.
But I don't want the tent to burn
It's
if
not gonna
some
burn if
wind comes up.
Oh, no, it's not gonna burn if you put it like
But
side.
if the wind turns, I don't want the tent to
Think
burn.
so? Can you move? Like this?
I can't believe
You
it.
can't? You're gonna have to cut it then.
I'm
Because
going to have to stay here forever.
let us just cut your hair. You know what? Do you have a scissor or something?
How the fuck did it happen? Oh,
Sorry about that. I don't believe it. I think I can get you out.
oh my god. Thank you.
Okay. Next. The other way. The
Yeah,
other
hey,
side.
we're a good team.
Yeah, we are.
Soaking wet and exhausted, it's definitely time to start a fire.
Everything's wet. I can't collect wet wood. It doesn't make sense. I think we should try to collect dry wood.
Oh, it's fine, it's dry. You can see. It's dry.
Oh, but I think the tree's still alive. You wanna kill it? Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hey, Edward. I'd say they're a bit dry. Maybe we need some bigger ones now?
No, not now. I think we should wait a bit more. Can you bring more leaves?
I don't know if we can make it so windy.
You don't need this. It's too big.
Okay, but
It's too big. How this is gonna burn?
Okay, well, so you just said if I have something in mind, I
Okay,
could try
go.
it, but then I won't. I just take
No,
the
go
tissue.
ahead.
No,
Go
come
ahead,
on.
try. Where are you going? Come on, come back.
I'm taking the...
Okay.
We need them anyways. But they're just making smoke.
Thank you for the tip.
In the end, Alicia and Edward managed to find a place to stay. It was not easy, but at least they were able to gain experience and they had a good time.
Can I do this?